If you thought the war between Arvind Kejriwal and the Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung was bad, it's complete war between the Chief Minister and the centre. And the Chief Minister described the centre as the British rule.
दिल्ली के लोगों को की पीठ में एक तरह से छुरा घोंपा इन लोगों ने। लंदन में महारानी बैठती थी, क्वीन ऑफ इंग्लैंड बैठती, तो यहाँ वाइसरॉय होते थे, तो वहां से आदेश आते थे, वहां से नोटिफिकेशन आते थे, और यहाँ से तो एलजी साहब वाइसरॉय हैं इनके, और पीएमओ लंदन है।
दिल्ली प्रदेश या किसी केंद्र शासित प्रदेश के क्या अधिकार रखते हैं, ये संविधान में तय हो चुके हैं। इस प्रकार की बातें करना कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा लगता है कि शायद कुछ अपनी ही कुताहियों और कमजोरियों को छिपाने का या उन पर पर्दा डालने का प्रयास हो रहा है।
दिल्ली के लोगों को आज ये नोटिफिकेशन।
Arvind Kejriwal's war with Lieutenant Governor now escalating into a full-blown direct confrontation with the centre. As the Delhi Chief Minister retaliated following a notification by the Home Ministry, which said that it is not mandatory for him to be consulted on the appointment of key bureaucrats at the heart of the current bitter dispute between him and the Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung. Instead, the centre said the LG can use his discretion on whether to get the Chief Minister's input. Mr. Kejriwal also reacted sharply to the Home Minister's stand that the Delhi government's anti-corruption branch cannot register or investigate complaints against employees and officers of the union government, calling it an attempt to protect its corrupt officials.
We are privileged and honored to have our ministers.
Ironically, the Delhi Chief Minister's attack came just minutes after Arun Jaitley said at a press conference that the Modi government's 1 year in power has been corruption-free.
A very important highlight of this government has been to give a corruption-free administration to this country.
इस नोटिफिकेशन में लिखा है कि केंद्र सरकार के अधिकारियों और ऑफिशियल्स के खिलाफ, मंत्रियों के खिलाफ एक्शन नहीं लिया जाएगा भ्रष्टाचार का। तो कहीं ना कहीं तो दाल में काला है, किसी ना किसी को बचाने की कोशिश की जा रही है।
सरकारी और राजनीतिक भ्रष्टाचार से इस देश को मुक्ति मिलेगी, ये जो आम नागरिक की इच्छा है, वो हमने 1 वर्ष में करके दिखलाया है।
बिल्कुल भ्रष्टाचार को बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं।
Constitutional experts are also divided on the subject.
The hard fact is that a Council of Ministers and Assembly in Delhi were considered as a concession to the local leadership. So to satisfy the political ambitions of the local leadership, it was considered. But no real powers were given. So the only way they can be effective and the only way they can do something for Delhi citizens is by being in a spirit of cooperation and winning the goodwill of the LG.
Sources in the Aam Aadmi Party say that while they are consulting the country's top legal experts and finalizing their strategy, they will continue with their own appointed officers. In fact, perhaps leaving it to the centre to challenge any decision in court. With Sudhir Ranjan Sen in New Delhi, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.